The average human being makes $3 million in an entire lifetime, from first job to retirement. In that time, they have to pay for their mortgage, they have to get kids to school, they have to buy petrol, most of you or all of you are in here saying, I'd like to make that same $3 million every year so I can keep at least $1 million. Would you or would you not agree that's a big ask? Let's start with acknowledging that. It makes them think things are easier than what they should be. I just want to be normal and get extraordinary results. That doesn't work that way. Doesn't work that way. So if you at any level go, you know what I really want is I want to work 5 days a week, I want to be really successful, and I want to go on holidays, I want to put the kids to the best schools, and I'm going to go to you in this current day economy, that is pretty clear to impossible. Does that mean that you'll never be able to do the 5 days? No. It just means that you're going to have to put in at least 3 to 5 years in order to build the human capital that's able to do that while you're not there.